why single family homes are still one of the smartest investment strategies in Texas right now. So whether you're just getting started or looking to expand your existing portfolio, there are some benefits which are pretty clear. Is number one is positive cash flow. There are still deals which can be found in Texas in suburbs where you can buy a home and you can still positive cash flow, and this is actual money in your pocket every month. Second, the obvious one is tax benefits. Now, as an investor, you can write off mortgage interest, property taxes, any repairs you do, even depreciation, and sometimes showing a loss on paper while being profitable. Next thing would be building equity. Now, over time, your tenant pays down your mortgage. So that means someone else is helping you build long term wealth. And then appreciation, especially in Texas, you need to be aware of it all comes down to location. So being in an area where there's good school districts and having an amazing proximity to highways. So yes, location matters, and this will make sure that your home, after years, it's still in demand and it protects your value during the market shifts. In Houston right now, there's an average appreciation of 4 to 7% in single family homes, depending on the location and the surrounding areas. ISD matters a lot. Location to highway matters a lot. We're going to come to especially that part, highway, because I make investment decks for investors. Let's say if you're like Pratik, I would like to buy something in Katy. This is my price point. Find me something which would be positive cash flow, or I can build some equity. So I run investment decks where I go over it. The beautiful thing about this is there are not too many agents who invest in the things they sell. So in the last year, I was able to bring in some couple of investment properties and buy them myself and put them for rent. And they're positive cash flowing, and there's appreciation. So let me show you a glimpse of how this deck looks. And if you're in the market, hey, I have $50,000-$60,000 to play with, where should I invest? I can help you do that as well. Now, this is what that investment deck would look like. I try to focus on all the major highways Houston has, starting from 59, 69, I-10, 99, Highway 6, 290, how Houston is connected. If there's a new investor in Houston, they need to know what the location of Houston is, what are some key areas, and how the entire city is connected. Now, this is the fun stuff. These are some recent deals where a house was listed for 309. We negotiated down to 295. This investor used all cash. We were able to rent it out for 2250. It was listed for 2150. We got multiple offers, bumped it up to 2250, and it got rented. So this investor was able to get 9.15% cash on cash return. This one was in Harvest Green. This guy was able to get 7.88% return. And Sugarland, this was zoned to Clemens High School. It's impossible to find stuff in Sugarland less than 300,000. We found something for 248. This investor decided to go the mortgage route. Their monthly principal interest is about 1160. We got it rented out for 1900. So that's a 9.19% cash positive return on their investment. These are some suburbs where I would recommend an investor to look at. And this is a deal which is currently under contract. It's impossible. Guys, under 300,000, new construction where you can positive cash flow. So this deal is going on right now. We have a 5-year projection on the rent, and then 5-year appreciation on the house itself. So then obviously you sit down with your CPA and just understand where you can save money and how you can do depreciation. This is the most important part. When you're driving on Highway 99, you must be thinking, I wish I bought land near Katy 5-6 years ago, homes near 99, because there's been so much growth. Now, Highway 99 disconnects at Sugarland. There is future growth for Highway 99, and it's going to go all the way to Galveston. So places like Manville, south of Sugarland, there is a lot of movement happening there. So this would be a good area to keep your eyes on. Pulte Homes recently is going to start construction on 1,000 acres. They will be zoned to Sugarland. So let's see what the market brings. But yes, if you're an investor, this is a deck I would run for any opportunity which would come in, and you can always book a call and we could go over it